You're Papa P.
Grandpa P.
Oh.
And then,
Hi, Bayani fans! This is the cast of
Kevin!
And today, we will be answering questions from the internet. Okay, I'll start. I'll get one question. Para kay Benjamin Alves. Wala ka! Is Benjamin Alves related to Piolo Pascual?
As a matter of fact,
Sa totoo lang, ako yung tatay ni Piolo.
Oh, you're Papa P.
Papa P?
Grandpa P.
Grandpa P?
Paano ba? My dad and him are magpinsan. So
Ah.
tito ko siya.
Tito P.
Tito mo ako. Allowance.
The second question naman, it's not really a question, honestly. It's what people mostly search about you in the internet.
Benjamin Alves, abs.
Related, Benjamin Alves, kickboxing. Kickboxing. Oo, nagki-kickbox ka pala, kuya.
Muay Thai.
Wow.
Oh.
Sample.
Sample. Okay.
To get this one,
hold, and then,
so yung elbow, dito.
Okay.
So ikaw naman sa akin. At dahil ako yung nag-answer, ako naman ang
Mag-aas.
Whoa.
Jake Macapagal! Ang tanong ng internet, is Jake Macapagal really an actor?
Wow.
Is Jake Macapagal a theater actor?
Oh my God.
He's really an actor. Nagkumaan lang siya dito sa sabi ni Direk Jeron.
Pwede yan.
Pwede yan.
Ganda ng bigote yun. Guys, ganun na-discover ang mga tao.
O naman, bata pa lang ako, pinangarap ko na maging aktor. So, may mga path papunta doon. Ang pinuntahan ko muna, teatro. Yun.
Jake Macapagal, international actor?
So, I think yung film na nanggaling, may British director na pumunta dito. And then we did Metro Manila. It won in Sundance. And then, after that, nakas sa Paramount Plus TV series. Kaya lang hindi napapanood dito, nasa Britain. Yun na. Moving on.
Yeah.
To Therese. Are you the associate producer?
Yes, the joke na po. Nag-aral po ako sa isang film school and then I just graduated. So now I'm venturing into associate producing for Miss Baby Ruth. I'm actually an AP for like 3 documentaries.
Yeah!
Food delivery, fresh from the West Philippine Sea. Hopefully, pwede na sa Pilipinas yun soon.
does Ana Santos serve?
Yes, I do. And fun fact, when I first started, Jericho pa was there.
I remember there was water.
Second question.
Ana Santos has a loft in La Union.
A-Loft.
Hey,
It's
A-Log!
the name. Yeah.
A-Loft.
A-Loft.
Yes po, I have A-Lofts and Airbnb.
Very
Yes,
pretty.
and La Union. So please book.
Okay.
At dahil dyan, magsusurf ngayon si Miss Ana papunta doon.
Yeah.
In 3,
Surfing
2, 1, go! Paano ka naman pa dito?
Naging ako na.
Lalaki ka pala talaga.
Si Ana.
Sabi Miss Ana.
Ganun lang yan, oh.
Ilan lang ba kayo ng hanapin sa?
Transition na yun. Si Miss Ana pumunta na sa A-Loft.
A-Log
Sa
na
A-Loft.
Tuloy na natin. Next question.
Adel dyan, next question na tayo.
For the Mr. Pogi ng...
Marikina.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sir.
Mr. Pogi, 1996 still. Hala, it's almost 30 years ago. Bakit ganun? Vampira ka ba?
Wow.
Ano sabi ko dyan? Vampire, right?
Galing.
What happened? I don't know.
Fade to me.
Okay, next question. Is Jericho Rosales in a band?
Oh.
Yeah.
I was in a band called Jeans before. We had recordings in Malaysia and in the Philippines. And we disbanded for financial reasons. Kinailangan po namin mag-soap opera ulit. And then now I'm back. I'm with a band but we don't have a name yet. So we're back to doing shows and eventually, like this year, then recording.
Pero may band na kayo dati ng tito ko eh.
Oh, The Hunks. Pero, kaya hindi na po ako nagpapahunk eh.
Doon ka na nakita first.
It's on Spotify.
Tayo na tayo ng Quezon Band.
Spotify.
Quezon Band.
Quezon Band.
Guys,
The
kung gusto
Hunks.
nyo marinig yung yung The Hunks nasa Spotify.
Wow.
Laman ng tanong ay, para kay my favorite,
Ooh.
Aaron. Okay, when did Aaron Villaflor's acting career start?
2006.
Bata.
Saan?
Kasi unang show ko was Okay Fine Whatever.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Sa sitcom sa ABS.
Wow.
With Sir Aga Mulak.
Wow. Okay, galing.
Okay, good.
Galing na. Oh.
Anong sport ginagawa
Ano-ano?
ni Aaron? Ano-ano?
Wow.
Ano?
Ano, ang dami nun.
Dami.
Yes, tama ka doon, Papa X. So, I did motocross.
Wow.
Motocross before, so I got 2 injuries.
Oh.
Broken wrist and broken collarbone. I was very extreme before.
Oh.
Pero, now I learned my lessons.
So bawal na magmotor.
Ingat lang.
Ano bang ibang
So,
sport?
motocross, basketball, soccer, nag-volleyball din ako.
Sporty.
Ang katanungan na ito ay para kay Miss K.
Wala. Wala naman sinabi yung internet.
Miss K nga!
Okay.
Sakto, okay.
So scared.
Question for Miss K. Is Cariel the wife of Sponge Cola?
Teka lang, hindi naman yung sponge cola buong bar.
Oo nga naman.
Wala kasi siya.
Clarify mo.
Hindi yung wife of sponge cola. Dapat yun.
Oo nga.
Marami yun.
Ano sinasabi mo? Internet? Ano sinasabi yung internet?
Minsan kasi siya si Kuya Sponge Cola.
Ah.
Siya ang asawa ko. Yes. Sinulatan
Sikat na
niya ako
sikat
ng
si Papa
maraming
Yael eh.
kanta.
Okay.
Second question.
Linigaw
Second
ka.
question.
Okay.
Hinaran.
Second question for Miss K. What plays did Cariel appear in?
Place.
Play.
Oh, yun.
Oh, with
Dami.
you, West Side Story.
Did West Side Story.
Mermaid, Cinderella.
Tapos, Little Shop of Horror.
Yeah, that was
You
the
did?
Hey, watch that.
one. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. With you, larawan isang musikal. Carousel.
Oh, yeah. Carousel.
Kaya
Next.
po, kung naghahanap kayo ng maaasahang aktor, kahit saan banda nyo iharap.
Yes.
Ilan to? 4,000?
5,000 plays.
Talking about... Teka, so 4,000 ba si Mon?
Si Mon, wait. Si Mon, okay,
Padagdag
he
ng
just came from a shoot actually kanina sa Tanay.
Yes.
Oh.
We are in
In
Makati.
demand.
He had to go here to join us here. Mamaya, babalik pa yan dun sa isang movie set. Dalawang movie ginagawa niya today.
Dalawa.
Babalik pa ulit sa ibang pelikula. This will be his 14,700.
Amazing! Pero nagtatanong daw mo dito sa internet, bakit daw puro kontrabida yung mga yung mga roles? Oo.
Yung first film ko was Shake, Rattle and Roll Part 4.
Okay.
Sinundan ng Dugo ng Panday ni Bong Revilla. Parehong Peke Galiaga film.
Oo.
And eventually, napunta ako sa mga pelikula ni Jose Javier Reyes.
Oo.
At lahat ng karamihan ng pelikula ni Jose Javier Reyes ay mga coming-of-age films.
Oo, ikaw.
Ako lagi ang kontrabida ni na Patrick Garcia,
Oo,
ni na
yeah.
Kogi Domingo,
Yeah.
mga time na yon. So, na-typecast ako sa ganong... Tapos minsan kasi, yung caster, kung saan ka huling magaling, yun ang tumatatak sa kanila. So, yun uli. Pagka sinabing si Mon Confiado.
Grabe naman.
Yeah.
Pero ang favorite question ni Jericho Rosales, ilang pelikula
Yes.
na ba ang nagawa?
Real.
Hindi, yung totoo, ay hindi ko na nabilang recently. Sa IMDb kasi, kulang-kulang 300. Hindi kumpleto kasi eh. Marami kasi akong ginawa nung baguhan ako na hindi naman ako nakikredit. Ang dami kong ginawa na mga B-movies din ng panahon na yon.
Lower budget film.
Oo, low budget. Mas mababa pa sa independent film. Ang dami ko rin ginawa na hindi rin talaga ako nagpapakredit. Yung parang, may tulong ko lang yan, sige. Ang dami kong ginawa na hindi ako nagpapabayad.
Pala, oh. EP, oh.
Okay, noted. Noted.
Nung nagsisimula ako,
Tingin ni Therese para nakakita siya ng ginto eh.
Hey, gosh. Dito talaga nag-a-apply yung too many, too
Sa-
many.
sa-
Ilang TV shows na?
Donation?
TV shows, more than 1,000. Baka,
Last question.
Last question naman.
yes. Para kay, ano daw ang real name mo? Chris Villanueva's real name.
My real name is malapit din naman sa Chris Villanueva, pero kasi binawasan ko dahil
Mahaba.
Chris Pulotini niya!
Benjamin E.
Ano talaga nun? Saan galing yung Chris?
ang pinanggalingan ng Chris ay Krishnamurti.
Krishnamurti. Hey! Krishnamurti.
Sorry.
That's my artist name. Okay, kwento muna. Kasi yung mga magulang ko during that time, na nag-yoga sila. Hindi yung
Hippie.
yoga na,
Oo.
posing. Talagang
Yung totoong,
parang
oo,
medyo
yoga.
may pagka-religious na.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
So, parang sort of nasa hippie sila
Oo,
ng time.
yeah.
So, pinangalan ako sa isang Indian poet, love poet,
Yeah.
si J. Krishnamurti.
Yeah.
Wala yun.
Kaya nung
Krishnamurti.
binawasan ko lang kasi, Krishnamurti.
Krishnamurti.
Kaya pala poetic si Joven.
Yeah.
Poetic.
Yes! At dahil dyan, tinatanong dito, does Chris Villanueva sing?
Sing.
Yeah.
Sigurado may sample na.
Sige na.
Alam mo ang problema ko sa pagkanta, nalilimutan ko yung lyrics.
Okay lang.
Google
Madaya, madaya.
Watermelon.
So kumakanta ka talaga?
Kumakanta lang ako kapag
Song hits.
kinakakantsawan.
Wait.
That's it.
I think I watched you before, Chris. Kalabti mo si Christina Paner.
Tingnan pa Nair sa...
So you were singing
Bakit
together.
tayo
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Singer siya.
Kung hindi nyo na
Yeah.
po matatanong, karamihan po ng mga actors, especially mga nagsistage, ay po tinitrain para kumanta. Kailangan po yan parang Bollywood. Dito sa kailangan mo kumanta,
All around, all
sumayaw, kailangan mo. Pero yung kay Chris kasi, exceptional.
This is another question. Therese, are you related to Jose Rizal?
Yes. Yes. I'm related to Miguel Malvar and Jose Rizal.
Mag-jowa sila ba?
Hindi ba?
Tell us.
Because the Malvar family is really close to the Rizal family. Kasi noong mga panahon na nangangailangan ng pera, yung mga Rizal family, tumulong yung mga Malvar.
Yaman pala sila.
So because of that, they're really close. And then, yung naging anak ni Miguel Malvar ay napangasawan niya yung bunsong kapatid ni Jose Rizal. So yun, in a way, parang 8th gen na ako ni Rizal. And fun fact also, dahil close din yung Malvar family in politics or whatever, nalaman ko na parang yung great lola ko ay ninong niya si Manuel Quezon.
Yes! Oh my God! Grabe, kaya pala
Ninong mo, di ba? Si Quezon.
And that's it for the questions from the internet. Sana mas nalaman nyo pa yung mga personal lives namin lahat. And please do watch Quezon, now showing October 15.
Yeah.
You're Papa P.
Papa P?
Grandpa.
Grandpa P. The P.
Dito mo ako.
Whoa.